Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. For your daily energies, Libras, we'll be picking few cards. Happy New Year, Libras, and I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. So let's start with the daily reading first, but we will be picking cards for your career situation and your relationship too. So these are for your career situation, Libras, and these cards are for your relationship. I will start with the daily reading. So let's open these cards first. It's Seven of Wands in reverse, Sun and Queen of Pentacles. So with these cards for your daily energies, Libras, I see that in your situation today, you are just radiating that confidence and strength. You have that determination to see things through, that endurance. So whatever your situation is, you have a clear understanding and you are radiating joy, happiness. And maybe for some of you, if you were suffering from some kind of illness before, you are healing from it and you have that clarity of vision in your circumstance. So some doubts you would have had in that past, but today you are clear, you know what is the secret behind that, and you have that clarity, and you are a very generous person. You are helping people. It may be you are supporting the people in your family or friends or in your work situation. You are a very caring and nurturing person, guys. That is what I see with these cards. But though things are going in a very happy way in some parts, maybe you feel some kind of anxiety in certain things. Maybe it may be something to do with your career or personal life. Some kind of anxiety is there. So let's see what are these cards for your career situation first, guys. It's the Moon, Six of Cups, and Five of Pentacles. So with these cards, I see that you have lot of dreams and aspirations for yourself, your future plans in your work. So all that accomplishments and goals, you are dreaming about that, or you may have fantasies about that future life, future accomplishments. And maybe for some of you, your intuition is also guiding you today when you're making some important choices. Something is telling you to proceed in a particular way. So if it happens, Libras, you need to listen to it, listen to that intuition today, guys. And you are sharing your views and ideas about your success, or what made that success happen. So with people around you, with your colleagues or friends, you are sharing your success stories of the past, your work situation, guys, and you are happy. Maybe for some of you, you are going out for a party, spending time with friends or family and having a good time with them. And I also see that there are some minor troubles in your situation, something worrying you in your situation today, guys. Maybe you feel really overwhelmed with responsibilities. You are tired, you don't find time to take rest. So some in your work situation you may be overburdened and overwhelmed with that duties that you have in your career situation, Libras. So that is also what I see with these cards, guys. So let us see what are these cards for your relationship. It's Emperor in reverse, Six of Swords, and Queen of Wands in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, you have that understanding with this person, that love towards them, but whatever say or whatever you do, they do not understand you. So they are not taking those efforts to understand you, guys. So you have love and you have that respect and caring for this person, but however hard you try, this person thinks of you as someone who is jealous of them, someone who is considering them as a rival. So maybe it may be the way they are. They may have some kind of a complex, some inferiority complex, guys. That may be the reason they are not able to come openly to you. They are not able to have this connection, and you feel that compassion and love towards them, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may be planning a trip with this person, maybe a holiday with them, or you want to go out with them. For some of you, it may be a holiday trip. For some of you, I see that it may be a trip for your work. So mostly I see that it is going to be a holiday trip, guys. So you are planning this vacation with them just to build that understanding with this person, Libras. Or it may be their energy, guys, towards you. And I also see that you will find a way to work out your differences. Maybe they are misunderstanding. You may find a way to come to a better understanding with this person, and I see that your difficulties are soon going to disappear, Libras. So that is what I see with these cards, Libras, and that is a reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. Happy New Year, Libras, and I hope everything goes well this year for every one of us. Thanks again, guys. Bye, Libras.